Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'll be guiding you how you can run YouTube application in the background. So in order to run YouTube application in the background, we can just go ahead and open up the YouTube application. There you can see the user face will appear somewhat like this. What we can do now is to get the premium for the YouTube application. You can just subscribe for the premium. Or the another way is you can just go ahead and open up any web browser, search for youtube.com. Once you open YouTube, you can just go ahead and play any type of music. Here in the near to youtube.com, you can see the AA option. Go ahead and tap on it and go ahead and tap on request desktop website. Just go back and the video or the YouTube will run in background. So this is how easily you can run YouTube application in background. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.